woke up in the middle of the night and I noticed my girl wasn't by my side.
Grabe,
Could've sworn I
namin sa
was dreaming,
pinakataas.
for her I was fiending, so I had to take a
Pinakataas
little
ni Peak
ride.
sa
Backtracking
Trinidad,
on these
Barangay
few years,
Trinidad.
trying to figure out
And
what I
here,
do to
maklaro
make it
na
go
ang
bad. Cause ever since my girl left me,
Kanlaon.
my whole life came crashing and I'm so lonely.
Here at my back.
Mr. Lonely, I have nobody
Very
to call my own.
Very cold here. See you next. Here, the peak of the high school. And on the other side is the house of my partner, Ronelo Marco. And on this side, where we can do